If you're upgrading to a new computer or trying to recover data, you might be wondering, can you just take the hard drive from your old PC and plug it into a new one? In this video, we're going to explain exactly what happens when you do this, what works, what doesn't, and what you need to know before attempting it. First, let's talk about data. Technically, you can connect your old hard drive to a new computer and access your files. Modern computers and operating systems make it easy to read files from another drive, whether you connect it internally or via a USB adapter. If your goal is simply to copy documents, photos, videos, or other personal files, swapping the hard drive is straightforward and usually problem-free. But things get more complicated when it comes to the operating system. If your old hard drive has Windows installed and you try to boot a new computer with it, it's unlikely to work seamlessly. Each Windows installation is configured with drivers and hardware settings specific to the original computer, like the motherboard, CPU, and graphics card. When you boot the drive in a new system, Windows may fail to start, throw blue screens, or run into licensing and activation issues. In short, your old installation of Windows may not be compatible with the new hardware. There are ways to make it work, but they aren't always simple. Advanced users can attempt a process called sysprepping, which generalizes the Windows installation by removing specific drivers before moving it to a new system. Even then, you may need to install new drivers for the new hardware, and some features or applications could stop working. For most people, a fresh Windows installation on the new computer is the safer and more reliable option. Another factor to consider is hardware compatibility. If your old hard drive is an older type, like a 2.5-inch SATA SSD or HDD, make sure the new computer has the correct interface. Some new systems use NVMe M.2 drives, which won't fit older drives without adapters. Additionally, if your old drive is encrypted with BitLocker or another encryption tool, you'll need the recovery key to access the data on the new computer. So, in summary, you can swap a hard drive to a new computer to retrieve files, but booting and running your old operating system is usually problematic. For data transfer, it's a great solution. For using your old OS on a new machine, a fresh install is almost always the better choice. Consider using external enclosures, USB adapters, or network transfers for a safer and easier data migration. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials and computer tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.